Detectives from the Major Investigation Division, MID, have taken over the probe involving relatives and associates of dancehall entertainer Mavado. They include his 17-year-old son. This was revealed today during the hearing of a writ of habeas corpus filed in the St. Andrew Parish Court.
Lawyers representing affiliates of Mavado had filed a writ on a Friday demanding the release of the entertainer's son, his brother, two cousins, and a gardener. The five were arrested on Tuesday as part of the investigation into the deadly violence in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew. During the hearing, investigators told the St. Andrew Parish judge that the Major Investigation Division, MID, now has an interest in the five individuals. The cops are to return on Monday to give the parish judge a status report on the individuals. One of them, entertainer Chase Cross, has been charged. He has been charged with assaulting Anthony Goldburn, the man accused of shooting at Mavado during a dispute in Cassava Peace on Saturday. Mr. Goldburn reported that he was assaulted by Chase Cross and Mavado. Mavado, who is overseas, is expected back in the island this weekend to be questioned by the police. Chase Cross has been released on station bail. Since the shooting, rival gunmen have been trading bullets in Cassava Peace. A man was killed and his body set on fire earlier this week. The police have since imposed a curfew in the area. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.